It's been a very tough time here in the village. The past few days have been filled with sadness and the mood around is somber. Our spirits are low and I feel like this really caught us off guard. It's now the third day since Kenya came to a standstill. Nothing much is happening, especially in places like Kisumu, where I come from. People are just glued to their TVs, radios, and laptops. I have never seen a man so deeply loved. What I have witnessed has been truly moving.
Haya kuwaletea tangazo la kuhuzunisha.
Na Raila Amolo Odinga ameaga dunia.
Kenyans have lost an icon. Our former Prime Minister, Honorable Raila Amolo Odinga, has passed on at the age of 80. This honestly came as a shock to many of us. Mnajuanga wale watu wenye you somehow believe will live forever. That's how I felt about Baba. I know it's crazy, but imagine that's how I felt about Baba. Baba was more than a politician. He was a symbol of resilience. He never sat on the presidential seat, though he tried several times. My father deeply admired Baba. I remember during election seasons, the whole house was panicking as we waited for results. And every time Baba lost, you could literally see the pain in our father's eyes. It was always a sad moment, but we never gave up. We kept voting, not because of politics, but because of what he represented: hope and change. The courage to speak even when your voice is shaking. Now that he is gone, it feels so unreal. Kenya has lost a hero.
My heart is down, my world is turning around. I had to leave a little girl in Bondo town. Dad, I want you to know, assure you that I'll take care of our family, Mom, Rosie, Winnie, and your larger political family too. Erokamano.
One of you asked in my previous videos how I make hibiscus tea. So today we're going to do that. For me, I use hibiscus petals, grated ginger, cinnamon sticks, and cardamom pods. Once ready, serve and add some honey for sweetness. By the way, hibiscus is packed with goodness, especially for women. It helps balance hormones, regulates menstrual flow, and relieves menstrual cramps. This one, I can testify, for real. Please try it and let me know what you think.
The refrain is Asante Baba. Nikinoa flyweight nasema Asante Baba. Tujaribu mara ya kwanza. Asante Baba. And encouraging me to be a man. I will deeply miss our family moments.
Mommy, wait what I said. 1, Why you not watching the laptop?
I'm watching.
Mommy?
I'm watching something. I'm watching Raila. Say Raila.
Mommy, Papa taught me the hair jacket. The hair jacket.
Ah,
Yeah.
wow.
Mommy, Mommy, the laptop has the hair jacket. No? Mommy,
Mm-hmm.
this. Me, I show you this again.
Mm-hmm.
Take this monster. Chucks, chucks.
It's currently 6 p.m. Time to feed the chickens. They are now 2 months, 3 weeks, and I feel like zimegrow haraka. Baba Mali is hoping to sell them in December. Be careful. Hello friends, thank you so much for the love you showed me in my previous videos. I really appreciate it. So for those of you who don't know me, my name is Makori. I recently moved to the village. 3 years ago I moved to the village to start my village life, and I decided to document my life in the village, and that's why I'm here today. I was born in a small town called Isebania. My dad moved there way before we were even born. And when my dad moved to Isebania, he realized there was so many opportunities, and he had to call all his relatives. So now my aunties, my uncles, my grandfathers, he called everyone that he knew. And so we lived in Isebania as a community. Yes, Isebania is mainly for the Kuria tribe, but we were kisses living in Isebania, like a whole community. So it happened, my auntie Jojo, may she rest in peace, alikuwa tu neighbor wetu. And let me tell you, anytime we'd come from church and we wanted cold water, we knew. By then we didn't have a fridge. So anytime we'd come from, let's say, playing ama from church, tunaambiana leo tunataka maji baridi. We knew tungepata hiyo maji baridi kwa auntie yetu. And that cold water, we remember it to date. We recently buried her, and I remember even in our tribute, our family, my sisters and I, in our tribute, we had to mention that water from the enyongo. It's called enyongo. It's basically a clay pot. So she used to store her water in that clay pot, and tungeenda tukunywe hiyo maji. It was so cold and so sweet. So ever since I moved here, we've been looking for a good one, and today I finally received a gift from my in-law, and it's that pot. If you know that pot, if you are African, you know how sweet water from this pot is. So that is what we are going to receive today. This is so beautiful. Oh. Mali, endo ban zote kwani zimeisha? Let's look at this pot. They are so beautiful, right?
Wash another side.
This pot is for nini?
For what?
For water. And this?
For cooking.
For cooking nini?
Beans
Beans
and
and mayai and
boga and nyama.
mboga and nyama. Clean it.
Water. Mommy, Mommy,
Yes.
Auntie, a beautiful pond.
Yes.
Mommy, is it done?
On the outside?
Huh?
On the outside?
And the outside.
Yeah.
Wash outside. Wash outside. Mommy, it's done.
It's currently 4:40 and it's already dark. moment of truth is here. Able, let's taste. Okay, I've already tasted, but let's taste again. I already know that taste, but let's do it again. Guys, mnajonga ile smell ya mvua after a very long time haijanyesha, then inyeshe, then unasikia hiyo smell ya mchanga, ya udongo. Imagine iko na hiyo smell. Imagine iko na hiyo smell. So it's a very beautiful smell. Watu mnapenda kukula udongo, inaonja hivyo. It's so good. Please, if you visit me, make sure you ask for this water. Nikikuletea maji ya chupa unitandike unipeleke huko, but uniambie Makori, please, nataka ile maji ya mtungi. It's so good. Village life is sweet, but sweet. You know, like 5 years ago, ungeniambia vitu kama hizi ndo zingeni make happy. Ningekuangalia nishangae kama uko sawa. But now these are the things that make me happy. These are the things that make me look forward to another day. Yani the simple things. Nikiamka nisikie tu jogoo amewika kukuku. My day is already made. Yani the simple things. I have learned to be happy with the simple things. And yeah, life is beautiful. By the way, I have been getting a couple of questions about these lights. One of the most frequently asked question is, are they solar powered? The answer is no. We currently depend on KPLC, but we are working towards going completely solar very soon. Another common question is, where did I get the lights? I got the lights from our local electrical shop. They're just normal basic bulbs fitted inside plastic tubes. We bought everything from our local hardware and then called our electrician to fix them. The base part here is cemented to the ground. So yeah, it's very simple.